Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, John Lennon!
Right, kind of nervous right now because I'm not singing. But when I was 5 years old, my mother always told me happiness was a way of life. So when I went to school, they asked me what I wanted to be when I grew up, and I didn't know I would be a bug.
I wrote down a firefighter.
I wrote down a famous artist.
I wrote down an English teacher at Yavne.
I wrote down happy. Oh, and they told me I didn't understand the assignment. And I told them that they didn't understand life.
Ah, but was John Lennon right? And how could Purim help us find out?
Scene 1, the big question.
On Purim, we laugh, we shout, we sing. We wear a costume of almost anything. But today we ask, let's start with this. Is joy the same thing as happiness? On the outside, they can appear the same, but there's a reason they have different names.
Did someone say happiness? I'm happy. I love when
There's pizza for lunch.
There's no homework.
It's my birthday!
if everything is awesome. I'm here.
I am Simcha. I don't need pizza. I don't need balloons, new toys, or presents. I shine from the inside.
Wait, if you don't need candy, what do you even do?
Scene 2, the party king.
Somebody say party? I love party! I invented party! I decree 180 days of party! That's a very long party! Yeah!
Now that is happiness.
Is it though?
Scene 3. Uh-oh.
Enough happiness! I have a terrible, awful, no good plan.
That really ruined the mood. Oh no, this is bad. When things get scary, I shrink.
The Jewish people were afraid. Life was lemons and not lemonade.
Scene 4. Where is Simcha?
Even when things are hidden, we are not alone.
Even when I tremble and scared, I will be brave. I have my family, I have my people, all the arm of Israel, I have Hashvi, and I have a sense of purpose. I know that I belong to something bigger, Hashvi.
Bigger than myself.
But how can you feel joy when something bad is happening?
That is the difference. Happiness says, things are good, so I feel good. Simcha says, I know who I am, I know who's on my team, and I have this joy deep within. It helps me shine and beam. Sometimes the light is hidden, but it's always still there.
Scene 5. The hidden miracle.
Purim is a story where Hashem's name is never written, not even the same. But behind the scenes, quietly bright, he turns the darkness into light.
Well, that worked out. Yay! Yay! We saved the party! It's party time! It's party time!
See? Happiness came back, but I never left.
Scene 6, a real life test.
So, if I lose a game, can I still have simcha?
Yes!
Is it raining on my birthday?
Yes!
If I rub my habitation feeling side down,
Ooh, okay. Yeah, that one's hard, but yes.
Happiness depends on what we get. Simcha is something deeper yet. Happiness can come or run or hide. It depends on what is going on around me. But joy comes from deep inside. It depends on what is found within me.
I'm fun, I'm great, I love it here, but I don't always stay all year.
I am steady. I am strong. I help you when things go wrong.
Happiness is when things go right. Simcha is your inner light. Happiness can fade away. Simcha chooses joy each day. Pouring we laugh and shout hooray. Because even hidden, Hashem makes a way.
We are told in the Megillah that the Jews had light and joy and gladness and honor. On Havdalah, we say these words and ask that it may be for us as well. Rabbi Nachman of Breslev, who lived 100 years ago, said that it was a big mitzvah to have simcha all the time.
Do you think Rabbi Nachman meant to be happy all the time or to be joyful all the time?
Can we be happy all the time? No. And it's okay to have other emotions sometimes too. And it's even helpful.
So to answer John Lennon, life is not about trying to be happy all the time, for we will never succeed in that. But we can have that joy, or we can create and build that joy by remembering that indeed our lives are full of good things, things that never go away.
Like the yellow submarine.
So, Yavna, what is this month's mitzvah? Simcha!
Bye.